I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina tonight. The Radioddity, it is an FRS radio. It's like a little, almost like for a younger crowd here, and I like it. They asked me if I was interested in taking a look at this, and I said yeah, because these make for great gifts. It's the model FS-T2, and it's FRS, so it's totally legal to use without a license. And it's perfect. Perfect little toy for kids to play with and for adults to use when they want to keep track of their kids, so that's always nice. All right, the FRS-T2 slash PR-T2. And you're going to like this. This is kind of a cute, like I said, it's just kind of a cool looking thing. Looks like it might even be programmable. I'll set that aside. We got a lot of stuff in here. Oh yeah, we got a lot of stuff in here. So we got Vox, right? That's cool. So you got a mic clip there and an earpiece there. That is, that's nice. That is really nice. I can't believe it. It came with that. For an FRS radio to have that alone is makes it worth the money to me. There, it looks like we got our USB charging cable, and it's one USB, and if you see, it's got two USB-C chargers on the other end. So that's nice. And then this must be, whoop, yeah, there's our power. Right, USB in, so we plug that in, and that jumps off to both. And then we got our radios here, and we got two of them. The kit comes with two, so you'll be able to keep in touch. Here's our little battery packs here, and we'll go ahead and install that. There we go. And look at that. Nice backlit screen. Nice yellow color there to kind of make it, if you dropped it or whatever, you'd be able to find it real easy. Got a place to put our cords here, so look at that. That's even got enough place that I can do it without being a mess. So I'm really bad about this. So when I say this is kind of designed for kids, I don't mean that it can't be used by adults, but again, check this out, right? Put this on all the way. Gosh, fat fingers. There we go. So that's not for like a wrist cord. That's for putting around your neck. So you could just have that dangling off your neck there. So, and don't worry, it's actually got a breakaway. Right. So if you aren't going to get hung with this thing, but you could have that on a breakaway so that you could use that with kids. You put it around the kids' necks, let them run around, do whatever it is they want to do, and there we go. All right. On this side, I mean, for an FRS radio to have that, if I could get it out of here, there we go. There's our plug for our Vox, our earbuds and our voice mic there. Over on this side, push to talk, and you can see it lights up. All right. There's our light, and it starts to scan. So we have scan mode. You can see a little scan, and we have a little picture of an antenna. And then down the bottom is mode. And there's our volume all the way down. There's our volume all the way up. Press it again. And now we can change our channel. Oh, it's got calling codes too. Cool. I'll leave that at A5 or where it was. Very cool. I like it. And you press and hold, and the power goes off. So there it is. And it does come with, I'll have to get a screwdriver, but it does come with a belt clip as well, so you can hang it on your belt. So really cool kit. And of course, like I said, it comes with two of them. And yeah, so I'm not going to make a very long video, but I'll tell you what I will do. I'll take a walk with it like I like to do with these radios, and we'll check out the range. Now, FRS is not going to be as good as GMRS by any means, but still should be fine for use here on the property. So let's do that. I'll get the other one set up. I'll get the belt clips on it, and we'll take a walk. Okay, well, as you can see right here, I got both of them set up, and I'm going to go take a walk, and let's see how this thing works.
Hello. Seems like it's working okay. At this range, you ought to be able to hear me just fine. I don't know, audio quality, the speakers look like they're a decent size. Not sure where the mic is on this thing. I think it's probably using... Oh, I see it there. It's a small hole right next to it. And about 8 inches from the mic. All right, this is about 100 foot down the hill. One nice thing about these, they both came with a pretty decent charge on them. They've got, both of them had 3 out of 4 bars as far as the battery is up. That's nice. Supposed to be getting some snow this evening. We've already had one snowfall here, but it didn't really stick around for very long. This one here, I don't know, it's supposed to be pretty nice later on this week, so probably won't stick for very long either. All right, we're about, I don't know, 350 feet now. I'm going to go down to the chicken barn here. That's about 550 feet, and we'll call it a day. All right, we're down at a low point here. It's a pretty good-sized piece of dirt blocking me the direct line of sight. So if we're going to lose signal at this range, this would be the reason why. I guess I'll wrap it up here. We're just about 50 feet from the chicken coop at this point, and that'll do it. Thanks to Radioddity for sending that to me. It was really cool playing with these, and these are great. I've got these set up. I'm going to be giving these as a gift for some kids. So hopefully they'll enjoy it too. Always fun to play with radios when you're young and hopefully get caught up in the hobby. And, well, you never know. This might be the next generation of CB and ham enthusiasts out there, right? Till next time, my friends. Take care.